Yes. Thank you guys for tuning in. Natural vibes. Direct from Jamaica. You might wonder what is these blocks for. Yeah, tell the people what the blocks them are for.
Yeah. For this on construction work, you know?
Yeah, what are you building with them?
Yeah, no, we're gonna make some look of flowers garden with them black door.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's gonna be like the border for the flowers garden.
Yeah.
Aye. See, so this is Jamaica and this is it. This is how Jamaica up in the woods. This is how we do it in the this part of Jamaica, in the country. See?